You are not comparing apple to apple. Although some movements of yoga and Qigong look similar, they are based on different understandings and philosophy. It's not about which one is better. You want to know which one is suitable for your situation. By the way, the yoga I'm talking about is the original yoga, not the studio fitness yoga. Yoga originated in India, while Qigong originated in China. Both have tens of thousands of years of history. Yoga focuses on liberating one's spiritual existence. Its ultimate goal is to burn all accumulated karma and end the circle of physical compulsion of this and future lives. Qigong focuses on reaching fullness in this life and unlocking all human potential in all dimensions. If you have already lived a fulfilled life and are ready to put down everything, practice yoga. If you want to live a better life, be healthy and successful, unlock your potential, and enable your natural healing ability, Qigong practice is a good start.